Hello, welcome back. This is Eugene Solis, the art instructor here for the Garcia Center, and today we're finally finishing up our origami underwater scene project. And for this, you're going to need the 3 pieces we made already, our 3 fishes, and this large blue paper, and these 2 smaller green papers. And with in this project too, we're going to have to use our scissors, pencil, glue, and for this case, to make details on this construction paper, our black marker and a white colored pencil. The first thing we're going to do is make our body of our catfish, which I did right here. And you can use either green you want, this dark green or light green. I just use the dark green. All you have to do is line your catfish head with the paper and use your pencil to try to make a catfish body, and just think your body as being like an oval, and your tail being like, it could be like a heart shape like we did before the other fish. This would be like a little squashed heart shape. And I'm putting little textures that look like scales, which just look like little connected U's. My side fins, my little details on my side fins, and my little details on my tail fin. And once you have it in pencil, use your black marker to retrace your pencil marks. So I'm retracing all my pencil marks. And then if you like, go ahead and cut it out. So once you have this, you get to cut it out, and you have your little fish body. And again, for details, you can add eyes to your catfish. You can use pencil first. Probably best if you did that. And make a little cat nose, cat whiskers. And now you can attach your catfish to your blue paper anywhere you want it. Let's see, so if we do this, let's attach the body first before you attach the head. And your body, depending how you want it to go, your paper too, this underwater scene, you can have it horizontal, you can have it vertical. Either direction works well. And also your fish body, if you want it horizontal or vertical, is up to you. So your catfish head will look like this, or a catfish head fish will look like this. I am going to do mine vertical. Put it right here, close to the middle, and put some glue on the back of our cat head, just enough so it can stick on. Align it with my cat body. So now I have that glued down. And your other 2 fish, you can always start with pencil first for your details. Like for example, if you want gills and eyes, I'm going to make my eye here. I'm going to make it look straight forward. Add my gills. And you can add a mouth too. This will be a happy fish. Retrace it with marker. And do the same thing for my other fish. We go in this direction. Let's see, I'm going to have it to be a frowny fish. Maybe it's not happy about something, or it's in a bad mood. Add my little gills. So I have my details on my fish. And then again, I'm going to place them anywhere I want on this paper. Just put some glue in the back. Just don't put too much glue, but enough that you know it will stick. I'll put my fish maybe towards the edge of the paper. And this fish. Add some glue to the back. And I'm going to add it to this part, the side of the paper, looking down. So I have my 3 fish, and we're not done yet. With this white, you can use a white crayon, but I'm going to use a white colored pencil. You can make like the the bubbles they make when they're breathing underwater near the fish. So now I'm making my air bubbles. Even my catfish has them too. So now you see how my bubbles where my fish are at. The last part is making our seaweed. And you can just draw it on. Just think of curvy lines. So you see I have some curvy lines here. You can just continue drawing some more. And they can be different shapes, different sizes. Then I'm going to cut them out. Let me just draw real quick in marker so you can see what I did better than the pencil mark. So I can see I drew them on this paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and start cutting them out. So right now I'm just cutting out the seaweed from our underwater scene. So now I have my pieces with your glue. Put the glue on the back side and place them on your sea floor. Right now we're almost done with our sea scene. And you don't have to use the whole paper, just some of it or as much seaweed as you like. And just press down on all your paper in the glue so you know it's going to stick. Let it dry. And our final look of our week project is our underwater sea using origami. Well, hope you enjoyed this project and I'll see you soon. Thank you.